Hey guys, Bullish Breed back with a daily recap. So I took Wednesday off this week. I had to go out of town, and then Thursday was Thanksgiving. Friday was a short day. I caught a couple trades today. Ended the day with a small red but green overall throughout the week. I got a little jumpy in the morning. Made a trade up in my head pretty much. Thought it was there. Really wasn't. Let me take you through them. So my first trade, we'll start off with, we had a couple pivot points. We had yesterday's high and yesterday's low. We had pre-market high, and then we also had, this pre-market low, like support. There's one touch, two touch, like a bunch of touches, right here, a touch right here, and as we pushed down in the open, we actually pushed back up off the 5-minute, and I got a little jumpy and ended up taking the trade off the first 5-minute. It was right here. I got caught right here, and I took my loss down here. And looking back at it, like, I should have been a little bit more patient. Market closed early. I should have waited for at least maybe the first 10 minutes, something like that. But I ended up getting chopped up right here. And so my next trade was that I was like, okay, we're selling off in the morning. I don't know if it's going to be a trend down day, but I do know I have this 455 area that looked good for some support. So I figured, let's get short right here, the 5-point stop, and let's take it down, right? And, we got that. So I got short right here. Had a little bit of drawdown, but we did push down the lows. We cracked lows. It was like a 4-point move. I didn't take it off. Because I felt like we were going to push down and maybe tap that 455. We didn't end up doing that. Came back up, stopped me out, break even, and I just closed up for the day, and I took my one loss. So overall, it was a good day. Didn't go on tilt, followed my plan. The only thing I probably could have done differently was just take it off. My price target was low a day. Usually on retests, like when it pushes back up and retests a level, my price target is a new low or a new high. So we did get that, but since I was already down in the day, I kind of wanted a little bit more just so I could be up. But, didn't end up happening. Gonna come back on Monday and start fresh.